Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your security system with ADT, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your current security system to identify its strengths and weaknesses. Research the various security solutions offered by ADT to find options that suit your needs. Visit the ADT website or contact their customer service for detailed information on available packages. Schedule a consultation with an ADT representative to discuss your specific security concerns. During the consultation, ask questions about installation, monitoring, and any additional features. After gathering all necessary information, choose the ADT security package that best fits your requirements. Review the terms of service, including any contracts and monthly fees associated with the installation and monitoring. Once you've made your selection, complete the necessary paperwork to initiate your order. Coordinate with an ADT representative to schedule an installation date that works for you. Prepare your home for the installation by clearing areas where equipment will be installed. On the installation day, ensure you are available to discuss any final details or questions with the technician. Allow the technician to explain how each component of the system works during the installation process. After the installation is complete, test the system to ensure all components are functioning correctly. Ask the technician to demonstrate how to use the ADT app or other software connected to your security system. Familiarize yourself with the monitoring options available, including emergency contacts and response protocols. Set up any additional features, such as cameras or smart home integration, according to the technician's guidance. Take some time to review the security measures your system implements for comprehensive understanding. Follow up with ADT if you encounter any issues or have questions after installation. Regularly review your security system settings to ensure it remains effective over time. Stay informed about new security features or updates released by ADT for ongoing improvements. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.